Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with DAS on a quick pre-listing. 03 Wrangler TJ Sport, 107,000 original and documented miles, manual transmission, 2-owner, Carfax certified, guaranteed Jeep, flawless history, like new rubber all the way around, classic set of American racing wheels. We're getting ready to run this Jeep through our shop, get it fully serviced, reconditioned, previously installed, very clean 2.5-inch lift. We're getting ready to do some reconditioning and servicing, so please make sure to take a look at the full listing to see everything that we're going to do. You see the starting condition is absolutely beautiful, sun shining on it, see it in its true condition. That's just a little bit of stuff from the paper that we had on the front windshield, but the body is very, very clean. In a nutshell, what we're going to do is fully paint correct the paint. Paint's going to look gorgeous. We're going to remove all the flares, side steps, treat those, paint those, reinstall those. Top is like new. Inside is extremely clean. Got beautiful covers over the seats. We'll have full pictures of the seats, but they are in great condition. We've already looked at those. AC's blowing nice and cold. Manual transmission, 107. It's just a super, super clean Jeep. Body is extremely straight on this thing. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful body. The undercarriage is extremely clean. Lots of pictures. No rust issues whatsoever on the undercarriage. Beautiful Jeep, guys. This will be ready in probably about 4 weeks.